Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now within the last video I've showed you how to make breakfast flapjacks with the seasoning on top, seeds on top. It had sesame seeds and it had sunflower seeds on top of it. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make some coconut muffins, which has contained some desiccated coconuts. First of all, what we'll have to do is to combine the 200 ml of milk, 200 grams of desiccated coconut. This is 150 mils, and set aside that 50 grams of coconut, and then add 1 lemon which is juiced, you'll be combining it with a spoon. Next we will have to do is to add 4 eggs. This has to be beaten. It will be cracked first, and then it will be beaten once all of it has been cracked. Once all of your eggs are cracked in, then you'll need to beat it with the hand whisk. Once you've beaten it up for 2 minutes, you're going to add 200 grams of white granulated sugar and then mix it until the sugar dissolves. Then you can add in 200 grams of soft spread butter and all the ingredients, and then sifting 200 grams of self-rising flour. Put 200 grams of self-rising flour in a sieve and then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give this a sieve through until it's all combined. So this is the recipe where it contains desiccated coconut in it. So if you never had a go at making any of the desiccated coconut related recipes, go ahead and have a look at the coconut recipes in the description below if you never made any of them. So obviously this is a recipe tutorial for the muffin mixture. Once you mixed it all in and has been mixed to combine it, you're going to let the dough rest for a few minutes. Once the batter has been sitting for a few minutes, then you can just put it in with the muffin cases. So the first one has been done for you. Continue doing it with the rest of the muffin cases until you use up all the batter. Now I'm going to show you for the rest of the cupcake cases. You can continue doing it with the rest of the muffin cases. These are the coconut muffins that have been put into separate muffin cases for 20 people and filled with desiccated coconut. Now what you will do is to put these muffins in the oven for 20 minutes or until it's golden brown for 180 degrees fan or 200 degrees C for conventional ones. So pause this video now and I hope you will join me for the topping bit. The muffins that have been done in the oven. Now this is the next bit of the topping. Now you're going to put the jam on first for each of the muffins, and then you're going to spread the jam on. Then repeat the process. Next, after putting the jam on, nurse to top it off with the remaining desiccated coconut, and this is 50 grams. This is a completed recipe muffin that is topped with the jam as well as the remaining desiccated coconut. So I showed you how to make this kind of muffin. Now I've showed you a complete tutorial on how you're gonna make this muffin. So if you like this recipe, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more future recipes by me. So See you in the next recipe tutorial. Bye.